got a real small clamshell too, so
Appreciate you. I'm not gonna lift up the second stage, but you can have some cookies in the second stage until it gets way high. But look at that right there. Yeah. So if it's not alternator,
oh my god,
belt,
absolutely. They just said, here, let's put a ton of drag on the axle because it's really efficient.
I don't think it drags on the axle, but what happens is you're moving so belted, there's a buoy. So when the car's idling, the alternator's not moving.
All right, so Nathan was really wanting to see this thing. He didn't know we were coming here this morning. I bought some tickets at half price. And we got what here?
Lotec C1000 uses a Mercedes engine, has 1,000 horsepower.
From when?
What?
From when?
90s, I think.
90s with 1,000 horsepower.
It's built for the owner of like the Emirates Airlines, I believe.
Oh wow, this thing is crazy. Crazy. Award-winning car.
One of one, of course.
Yeah. Pebble Beach, man. And then there's that, whatever that is. It just never ends. There's so much ridiculousness. I'm blown away.
So we definitely have to do this
Every year, huh?
It's not a choice.
Yeah?